Are you looking forward to play Mecha Chameleon on Roblox? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily play. First thing first, move into your application Roblox, into your login credentials, and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. In the home page, if you scroll down, you will be able to see tons of different games. You can play any one of it. Now click on the search icon right over here. In the address bar, search for Mecha Chameleon and then click on it. Well, tons of different games related to Mecha Chameleon will be available to you. From here, you can choose any of the game that you want and then play. Simply click on the game that you want to play. After that, click on play at the bottom of the screen. Now follow the on-screen process and play the game. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.